With this session, we are going to discuss about periods in detail. In previous session, we have discussed about groups and periods in brief manner. We have 7 periods and 18 groups in periodic table. N elements in periods have consecutive atomic number. Now with this session, we are going to discuss about periods in detailed manner. In periodic table, as we have already discussed, we have 7 periods in periodic table, and length of periods increase with the order of period. Means while you are moving from first to second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, along to the order of period, length of period is also increased. Like see here, period number first is called shortest period. Why? Because it have only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. You can see here hydrogen here, atomic number 1, and helium, atomic number 2. Both elements are the part of period number first. In this period number first, we have only 2 elements. That's why it is called shortest period. Now, second and third period, they call short periods because they have 8 elements each. You can see here second from third atomic number to 10, from lithium to neon. And period number 3, from sodium to argon, from 11 to 18. In both periods, we have 8 elements. That is why they called short period. They long as compared to period number first, but they are short as compared to period number 4 and 5. Now we're going to discuss about fourth and the fifth period. They are called long period. In both periods, we have 18 elements each. You can see here period number 4 and 5 from atomic number 19 to 36 belongs to period number 4, and from 37 to 54 belongs to period number 5. In both periods, we have 18 elements. So they are called as long periods. Now the next one, period number 6. It is called longest period because it has 32 elements in it. Includes lanthanide series, which is also called rare earth metal, which is represented below the table. You can see here. From atomic number 55 to 86 includes this lanthanide series. All elements are the part of period number 6. That is why it's called longest period as compared to all, which present above the 6th period. Now we discuss about period number 7. This period called incomplete period. Why? Because still there is a possibility in nature scientists can able to discover some more elements. If any elements get discovered, so it will be mentioned in period number 7. That is why it's called incomplete period. In this period, from 87 atomic number to 118 includes the actinide series, which is also called transuranium elements, which present at below part of periodic table. This also includes in period number 7. In actinide series, all the elements are present, they are radioactive in nature. And they are also called transuranium elements. Why? Because the atomic number of such elements is more than uranium, which is 92. That is why they are called transuranium elements also. And all elements are metallic in nature. They cause instability and radioactivity decay. In period number 7, we have approximate of 32 elements, but some elements are quite unidentified. That is why this considered as incomplete period. So here in periodic table total we have 7 periods, and while we move along the order of period, the number of element in each period that is also get increased. Like in first period we have 2 elements, in second and 3 we have 8 elements, fourth and fifth we have 18 elements, in sixth we have 32, and in 7 it's considered as incomplete, but it's also have approximate of H2 elements. So here this is information about the period. With this note we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.